Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can log in to Google Meet to connect with your teacher and your class, your whole class, all those people that get connected. So first of all, I'm going to remind you that in order to connect to your email or to your Clever Cloud, you go to your website, HESD .org for HDLA. You click on Clever, and then once you click on Clever, you're gonna log in with Google. Clever for students. Log in with Google, and then right now, since I'm logged in as a teacher, it took me directly to the to my email. So this is my Clever Cloud. And in my Clever Cloud, it will look a little different than yours, but you will have benchmark education, you will have iStation, and those are the links that you need to be accessing daily for reading. Benchmark education has the reading for all the grades, and iStation, you will need to download it the first time, but you will need to access it. And Google Classroom, you need to be accessing. This is the way to access Google Classroom. And right now, I'm going to focus on accessing your email. So the email, you all have access to the email. So just click on the email, Gmail, and you should have received an invitation from your teacher for Monday. This is a starting Monday for us. I will send you an invitation. So you just click on your invitation, make sure you note the time. And right now I'm late for the time. There's two ways to join. It has a number right here that you can join by phone and by phone number. And I'm gonna click in here, meetgoogle.com. If it doesn't work, it will tell you that you will need to download something. See right here, it's working for me. Now you need to allow the microphone. So I'm gonna say allow the microphone. And it wants to show notification. This is the first time that I use this computer, so it's asking me a lot of questions. So I'm going to allow it and see if this works. Okay, now let's see, my camera is off. I'm gonna turn on the camera, turn on the microphone. I'm gonna click on join. Okay, Google Meet. Can you hear me? You don't see me. Yes, I have my camera. I have my camera off. I'm using my personal computer and I'm recording a video for my students to see. So say hi. So you're on camera, on my camera. You can all say hi to your students if you share this video with your students. Let me see if I can turn on my camera so that I appear on my my screen. So let me see. So there was a button on the bottom. But it doesn't want to turn on. Maybe it's because I'm recording and the camera is recording me, like my screencast-o-matic recording. Maybe that's why you cannot see me using this mode. But anyways, I wanted to show the students more or less how the screen was going to look for them if we use Google Meet to connect. Okay, so I hope these instructions come out well because it's the first time that I actually connect with this computer. And as you could see, the two cameras did not work for me. It's only one camera that is working. So my people, like my teachers, cannot see me. But then when you watch the video, you will see the recording in there. Okay, so I hope these are good instructions. Bye.